where's the Pokegen tutorial? That's coming up, guys. I just want to make this short beforehand clip, tell you that I'm going to do a little surprise for you guys. It's a little giveaway. It's not much. It's all I could really do to help people at this point. And it's a 6 Pokemon giveaway. You tell me the 6 Pokemon you want, the EVs, the moves, anything goes. I don't care. You could have any 6 Pokemon you want with anything on them. You want them shiny, whatever. Just send me So yeah, that's the giveaway. The rules are just comment down below, or send me a message, and a random winner would just get picked. I'm not gonna do it any specific way. Just like I'm gonna close my eyes, open them, first one I see, put all the names on a page. First one I see is the winner. I don't give a fuck. But you will get the 6 Pokemon you want. Again, anything goes. So just comment down below, and don't comment something stupid. Try to make it a little helpful, like what you liked about the video, what you didn't like my video. Yeah, something like that, or like just words of encouragement. Something like I would want to read, not just like some dot dot dot, some bullshit like that. Just something, just a little, maybe even a your mama joke. I don't really care, just something I'll read. So yeah, that's there. And then also Wi-Fi battles are coming up. My Pokemon Chaos Black thing is coming up, and also if you guys need tutorials on anything else, like how to get Wi-Fi on an emulator, I could try helping you guys out with that. And yeah, basically that's it. Look forward, more content coming. Sorry I've been busy, guys, and the Pokegen tutorial is up next. Look forward to that. Peace, guys. What's up, YouTube? Polytrainer here, and I'm gonna drizzle on you part 2 of Pokegen. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that, but this is part 2, the emulator / R4 version. I like the first video, my action replay one, got around 80 views, and that's the most I've gotten, and I'm really happy, and I hope it helped people, and I hope this helps people as well. And again, if you have any question, don't be scared, don't feel embarrassed or shy or whatever. Just message me down below. I'll help anyone if I have the time. I know I've been busy and this is long overdue, but I'll help anyone. I'll get back at you as quick as possible. The best way is messaging me. So yeah, let's just get started. Don't want to, and I will run through step by step. If you missed the action replay version, or you just didn't watch because you don't have an action replay, so I'm gonna run it step by step. No need to worry. And you just go. And since it's the R4 and emulator, you will need a save file. And so let's just load up my save file. This is from my emulator, and that's my save file. And funny thing is, you can see my Ashwa at level, I believe 8 at this time, and I already have a full UU team here. So let's just get started. Once you have your file here, something I recommend is you just click on your Pokemon and view data. And what this does is, I like to do this because you already have your trainer information, like your ID and your secret ID. So that's cool. And then you just go to main. This is a player identification number. This is what the game uses to identify the Pokemon, its abilities, its IVs, its EVs. You don't really need this for competitive battling. Sorry, I rambled really quickly there. But you don't really need this for competitive battling. But if you want to make it look legit, you will need it. And it's not that difficult to do. And I'm not going to show it in this tutorial, but if you need some questions, if you want to make it look more legit and the game to accept it, send me a message. I'll probably do a video response if I get enough messages, or I might just help you out. So the species, let's just do something easy. Let's just do a Pikachu, a Pikachu. Let's name it Red Cheeks, Abused Pikachu, and then. Try not to use the symbols here like you could, like if I click that, but sometimes it messes up the name in the game, and you don't really want that. And you might have to click this right little box. If you don't have it clicked, it's not going to accept the name. So let's just set it to level 100. Let's have it at Adamant Nature. And you see it has all the things, but you could type it in as well, just if you don't want to look through it. And it also puts auto experience there, if I didn't mention. Held item. Let's do a light ball, and you see it has all the items, I believe, and you could just put them in. Try not to put a TM if it's like black and white, because I've never tested that, and I don't want to test it because it might just mess up. Here the happiness is 0 to 255. This doesn't influence anything but attacks that require happiness or don't require happiness, such as frustration or return. So let's just put it at 0. I was gonna put 255, but an abused Pikachu, Red Cheeks, is pretty not happy. And I don't know what Pikachu's ability is. I've never actually used the fucking Pikachu. That is surprising. But I don't know. Let's just motor drive. I have a feeling it probably won't have that, but you know, who cares? You don't put a hacked ability just because I don't know Pikachu's ability doesn't mean like anything. Just put its real ability just so you don't look like a douchebag when like you fucking throw up a Milotic with Drizzle. You don't want to look like that guy, you know. Here, it's just white. Yeah, and you right here, it's with the male, female, and none, it's kind of annoying because if you select data, you can't pick this, which is annoying, I will admit. But, like, you know, it doesn't really matter if it's male or female unless you really care. This is egg. You can set it as an egg, or, like, it will be inside an egg. And here's Pokearts. It will have Pokearts if you click it. Here, it's Pokemon Black and White. It's my Oshawott data, remember? But I'll teach you how to do the daycare couple, just to make it look a little thing. Daycare couple, Pokeball, level 1, because that's what it hatches into. And you want to set it like 1 or 2 days before. Today's the 13th, so I'll just put 12. Here, you have to have it on Egg, Pal Park, Event, Honey Tree, Shaman. And then you have to click as an egg, type anywhere, because it doesn't really matter as long as it's in the game. Victory Road, and have it a couple of days after. Okay, stats. Here you could, I'll just do 31, 4, I guess. I don't know if Pikachu's stats are really that good. 252, 31, 31, 31, 31, 252. And there you go. That's Pikachu stats, and it's gonna say the hidden power down there. And also, if you want, you can put manual stats and put this at 9,999. Okay, maybe not 99,000, but 9,999. That's gonna wall everything. But again, you don't want to look like that douche that has like gay ass Pokemon. So let's just unclick that, just so we don't look like assholes. Now you go to attack, and you put any attack you want. Like you could teach it a freaking Fire Blast, or like. I think Pikachu can learn Surf, but I'm not 100% sure on that. You can teach it Fly, Solar Beam, whatever you want. But let's just put Volt, Tackle, Thunder, Shock, Tackle, and Bite. I don't know if it learns Bite, but whatever. So yeah, once you have the attacks, since your owner thing, if you did select that view data, it's gonna have it all done here. So when you have your Pokemon, you just go to your right, and anywhere. It will overlap Pokemon, so do not set it over unless you want to overlap. Like if you have a whole box full of Slowpokes, you want to get rid of some Slowpoke, just set it over. But I'm just going to take an empty spot, and I'm going to set it. And there's your Pikachu, all revved up. And then you could go back, do this all over again, and then just set it next to it, and it's going to be, depending if it's a different Pokemon, it's going to be a different Pokemon. So you could just fill up this whole box of Pokemon, go to File, and then save file, and boom, it's saved. Like you're done. And then when you put it in your DS, if you have an R4, open it up. There you go. Or if you have a emulator, just go in, check your emulator, your box, and there's your Pokemon. So I hope this helped a lot of people. Rate, comment, subscribe. Sorry if I talk fast. I try to get through it as quick as possible. I know this is still pretty long. So rate, comment, subscribe. Send me a message for any help, and thanks for all the views on the action replay, guys. Peace!